What's up everybody, Brian here with Attention to Details. Kenny's behind the camera. We have a 2022 Tesla Model 3 that we just got finished fully wrapping in Expel Ultimate Plus Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. 10-year warranty, made in the USA. So we fully wrapped this whole car. Just got it doing a little bit of curing, then we're going to go in and give it the bath. We take off all badges here, just a more seamless fit. So later on today, Jose will put all the badging back on this car. Full interior Expel Fusion coating for the leather, and all the trim was completed, and carpet. And then we're doing a glass Serum Pro from Dr. Beasley's for coating for the windshield and the two side windows. And this car will be ready for delivery. Tucked inside here, we don't have it out, but we're going to show you some stuff on this here at another time. But this is a 2019 Subaru Accent. We did a full frontal with rockers and a mild paint correction and a full detail. We just put it in here right now because we got so many vehicles going, running out of room. So that come out good, but we'll get a picture of that on our next one. Then we have a 2022 Corvette C8 convertible that we've already done a full frontal wrap about. You guys seen this car in our previous videos. We done a full frontal wrap, and Jose laid all the graphics in for the customers, and then we wrapped and sealed it. Full frontal. We're wrapping the rest of the vehicle, and then we're putting on carbon fiber front splitter and sides. This is also a rims off, polish and coating, calipers and rims as well, and then a full detail. This car is actually going to SEMA. It leaves next Wednesday for California for the SEMA, and it's going on a 2-show circuit. And then it'll be coming back here for some more customization. So we're very proud and honored to have our work shown at SEMA. So we're very pleased with that. Then everybody always knows about the Audi R8 V10 gated 6-speed. We're always playing with stuff. Then we have, this is a 2020 not Lexus, but Acura RDX that we put some Expel on the front, but we're going to be doing a wash and clean on this and adding more Expel for our client as well on this one. And then I'm going to show you a really cool truck that we got going on over here. This is a 2023 GMC AT4 HD Duramax diesel. Beautiful truck. So the customer brought it into us last week, and we did a full frontal, full hood, fenders, grille, mirrors, and then we started doing the rockers, and the customer come in and he wanted to do the rest of it. So this is going to start later on today, the guys, and then over the weekend they're going to knock this out hopefully, because it's a big job. But we're also going to, Kenny and I are going to do a little bit more video on this. I'll show you if his camera should pick this up. This is roughly an $86,000 to an $88,000 truck, and it's only got like 3,000 miles on it. The paint is horrible, and these are some of the things we want to educate people on. But back here, this is a huge paint nub right at the tip of my thumb, and they're all over the vehicles. And then when we get it inside, we're going to do like a part 2 on this truck. Is that picking it up? There's areas on this truck that is less than 2 mils thick in their paint, meaning you can't polish it or you will instantly burn through the clear coat. And those are the things that you want to be educated. Even if you don't bring them to us, get educated. Make sure where you're bringing your vehicles that they are educated, because a lot of these guys are just picking up polishers and polishing, and this is the issues that's going to start happening, burning through your paint and getting big blotchy spots. So if you see that in your vehicle, your new vehicle, after you've had it detailed somewhere, bring it to us or take it back to them and have them checked, because most likely they've burnt through your clear coat. And you got to be very careful. This is all across the board on any model that is coming out new, and I don't care if you spend $20,000 or if you spend $150,000. The paint is getting thinner and it absolutely sucks, so you have to get it protected. Number one protection for any vehicle would be a paint protection film, especially by Expel. They are the leader in the film world. But then you would want to go into your ceramics, but a ceramic coating won't even help stuff like this. So we just like to educate people. We're going to walk inside and show you what's going on in there. Inside here we have a 2019 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Rubicon. that we did a full interior detail. Cody's on the other side just finishing up. We got Jose doing a protective coating on all of the black trim that fades out with a product that we use here, Ammo, and it's called Mud. Phenomenal product. So he's going around all of that, and then the guys also did a step 1 paint protection with a polymer sealant in the customers' meetings in here later on, because I showed them some areas of concern on this Jeep, 30,000 miles. And guys, this, don't know if the camera picks it up, but this is all over in spots of the vehicle that we're already starting to blister up and bubble on paint along the edges and stuff because of the contaminants that's been left on this vehicle too long. So we're gonna fix those up, and then this will either be a full frontal PPF wrap with Expel Fusion, or possibly the whole vehicle will be doing. So that's what is happening with this one. We'll take photos when we're done, and Kenny will get those up. And then we have a 2023 Tesla Model Y that we just completely finished, a full wrap. It's in its curing stage right now. And then we have got to put the badges back on it. Again, we take all badges off for a seamless fit. This vehicle here, every edge is completely wrapped around the whole vehicle. So there's no, it doesn't stop here. We've wrapped everything in and tucked where it could be without taking things apart, which we do offer. This client just wanted to go with everything that we could wrap that was, you know, basically easy to get to, all your ends and stuff. This vehicle also, then we're going to be laying vinyl like Le Mans race stripes over the hood through the back. We're taking all the interior out of this vehicle and changing it to a white and blue material, and that's going to be in about 2 weeks. We're just waiting for the new seat covers to come in, and we're going to videotape this and show you the whole deal, how it's done and what it's going to look like. Basically completely customizing and transforming this Tesla. So stay tuned for that. So that's what's going on right now. We have tomorrow, Saturday already, yay, and it's warming up, but we have the new 2023 Audi e-tron coming in for a full wrap. We have another Tesla coming in, several vehicles coming in for like frontals and stuff like that next week, and some more details as well on a bunch of different vehicles. So look forward to seeing those. I want to thank everybody that's coming to us from all over for our expertise in the paint protection film. Griffith, Munster, Portage, Valpo, Chesterton, Michigan. It's been great, and we're getting flooded, and it's awesome. We are the fastest growing Expel dealer in Northwest Indiana. I'm not saying the Midwest yet, but my rep said we are right there. So very proud of my guys for getting us to this level. If you guys have any question, any work you want done, give us a shout at 219-628-0288. Look for more to come. We got a winner on our giveaway. A gentleman out of Porter, so we'll be getting his vehicle in too. He's got a Subaru that he won the free Expel wear and tear package that we're going to be putting on his vehicle as well. And we're doing another drawing for that too later on today, so look for that, and Kenny will post it on our Facebook and our website. And you scroll down, there will be a video of us picking another random number that was on the back of the cards that we gave away for a free Expel wear and tear kit. So for now, as always, love and happiness, peace.